Meta Smart Glasses Factory Reset not working. Step 1. Ensure glasses are sufficiently charged. A low battery can prevent a factory reset from completing. Make sure your Meta Smart glasses are charged above 50% before attempting a reset. Step 2. Try resetting through the MetaView app. If the physical button reset isn't working, attempt a factory reset directly from the MetaView app on your connected smartphone. Go to Device Settings, About your device, and Factory Reset. Step 3. Force restart your glasses first. Sometimes, a simple force restart can resolve software glitches. To force restart, hold down the capture button for about 12 seconds until the indicator light flashes amber. Step 4. Update the MetaView app and glasses firmware. Outdated software can cause issues. Ensure both your MetaView app and your smart glasses firmware are updated to the latest versions. Check for updates in the app settings.